What's the difference between tropical and sidereal astrology? I'll teach you quick. Tropical astrology is great for psychological evaluation. It helps to answer the question of why we do things, why we make the decisions that we make. It's also how we see ourselves, how we see other people. It's really our reasoning as to why we do the things that we do. This is juxtaposed sidereal astrology, in which shows the way that things are going to manifest. Doesn't matter who's there, doesn't matter what energy is present. If the energy says that it is, this is what's going to happen. It's kind of hard to argue sidereal astrology. It's good to point out what actually is happening. It's what's going on in the sky too with sidereal astrology. This is juxtaposed tropical astrology, which doesn't take into consideration axial precession. Axial precession being the rotation of the Earth's axis. It's also interesting to see the distance between degrees between the two systems. Currently, there's a 23 to 24 degree difference between the two systems, and the distance is increasing faster. Now, at one point, sidereal and tropical astrology were once aligned, but because of axial precession, sidereal astrology took into consideration the changes that followed, while tropical astrology did not. A major difference being the start of spring, the spring equinox. Every year on the spring equinox represents 0 degrees Aries in tropical astrology. This is not the case in sidereal. In sidereal astrology, you'll roughly get between 4 or 5 degrees depending on the ayanamsha that you use. So while tropical astrology says that we're beginning Aries season, sidereal astrology says that we just began Pisces season. It's a little confusing, but that's the main difference, axial precession. That and human psychology. That's it, I'm done.